Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 2: Power of Unity. Once upon a time, there lived 4 friends: a fox, an eagle, a mouse, and a tortoise. This is a story of 4 friends and their friendship, that how they used their wisdom against their biggest enemy, man. One evening, the mouse, the eagle, and the fox were enjoying gossiping. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise. They all ran to see what happened there exactly. When they reached there, they saw that it was their friend, the tortoise. He was trapped badly in a hunter's net. To save their friend's life, Mouse made a plan. The mouse narrated the whole plan to his friends, and all agreed to the mouse's plan. "Oh, what do we do now? Our friend is trapped and in pain." "Don't worry, friends. I have a plan." Word meaning: wisdom, smartness. Gossiping, talking. Strange, unusual or surprising. Trapped, imprisoned. The 3 friends were ready to help their friend and save his life at any cost. Slowly, the fox went near the tortoise, and according to their plan, she lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead and breathless. The big black eagle flew towards the fox and pretended to peck at him, so that the whole scene looked real. The hunter rolled up his net with the tortoise inside it and started walking towards his home. As he started walking towards his home, he saw the fox. He thought the fox to be dead and wanted to take it home. So, he put down the net and walked towards the fox. On the other hand, according to the plan, the eagle flew round and round the fox. He flapped his wings and did not let the hunter go near him. The mouse crept up to the tortoise and started biting the net with his sharp teeth. While the eagle kept the hunter busy, the mouse set the tortoise free. Word meaning: pretended, to act. Peck, bite. Flapped, shake, swing. Crept, move slowly. Once the tortoise had escaped, the eagle let out a loud caw and flew away. The fox too got up and ran away quickly. The hunter was stunned. He went back to the tortoise. But he found that the net was torn and the tortoise had gone. The 4 friends were happy because finally they had been successful in their plan and they saved their friend tortoise. It was a victory of their wisdom, teamwork, and true friendship. Those animals were clever. If only I had not been so greedy. Word meaning: escaped, ran away. Stunned, shocked. Torn, tear.
Like, share and subscribe.